Right, welcome back to the InScentive Collection. I'm my host Brandon, and today, not gonna waste a whole lot of time, we finally got a package over from the folks at Stay Fresh Productions. We have Seamless Soul. Okay, I know this is not typically how I unbox these things, but this weekend is kind of crazy, so I'm trying to get this out as soon as possible. Okay, got a little extra tape on here. Nothing wrong with a little bit of security. Go ahead and get into it. So we got some literature here. Zaharoff Visionaries Parfum. Oh, love this. Love this. Okay, so apparently this is the third kit. They started in 2021, so that's awesome. I'm really looking forward to this sun-kissed island. It's got coconut milk and ginger. I'm in. I am in. Anyway, let's get to the box. Okay, this box got a little weight to it. Yeah, I like it. I like it. I like the presentation. I like how this is raised. Oh yeah. Yep. Tightly packaged. Oh, look at that. Yeah. It's like a little section of the world cut out for this thing. All right, look at that. You know me, I like the color. I like it when it got a little density to it. I like how angular the bottle is too. Shout out to Justin Copeland. I think this is amazing. I look forward to hopefully one day being able to do the same. Okay, so I'm not getting anything out of the box, out of the glass. So let's go ahead and, man, this is nice. This is nice. All right, let's go ahead and, look at that atomizer. Now, one of the cool things about this is, wow. Let's get to the notes. It's like some type of bright, something bright in here. I don't know if it's citrus or, where's my phone? Grapefruit or something? Let's take a look. So, there it is. You have a woody, aromatic, amber, parfum extrait. Top notes: cardamom, anise, timber pepper, jungle essence. Jungle essence. That sounds like a dope music video. You got citrusy grapefruit, lemon, crisp apple. This is nice. I'm not, I ain't gonna hold you. It's doing something. I don't know what it's doing, but it's doing something. In the hearts, you got fire balsam. I'm gonna embarrass myself with the, fir balsam, incense, cedarwood, and magnolia. And in the base, you got rich amber vetiver. I smell the amber, the vetiver. Moss, tonka bean, vanilla, and musk. I like this. It definitely has a real, like energy to it. It's kind of hard to explain. Seamless Soul. I probably should have said the name. Seamless Soul. It's subtle. It's bright. It's smooth. I think this is blended pretty well. Yeah. Love the bottle. It's a 60 ml. I think I got the early bird special, whatever that was. So it was like 140. I think it jumped back up to like 155. But this is my first entry into the house, and so far I'm liking it. Decent atomizer. Wow, look at that atomizer. Thing's got some legs. It's got a real fresh, powdery, like sweetness to it. This is dope. This is dope. I like it. Seamless Soul. It came with a blurb at the top I thought was pretty cool too. Seamless Soul is the next chapter in a story composed in scent and soul, an olfactory reflection of Justin Copeland's evolution as a man, artist, husband, and now father. The third movement in the trilogy. It carries a soft, enduring glow. It does. Soft, enduring glow. Neither loud nor fleeting, but grounded, refined, and deeply personal. So Yeah, I like this. So yeah, I would definitely say check it out. I was very interested in this house, and this was a great opportunity to get into the house. And I like everything about this so far. The cap, the cap isn't super crazy, but it's got a little weight to it. I love the angularity of the bottle. I mean, I can't. The presentation for this, I don't know how tied in he is with that, but as far as like the smell goes. So now we're coming into the, I guess the mid, and it's starting to get a little bit more smoother, a little more creamier. The brightness is starting to die down a little bit, and I guess that musk is starting to come up from the bottom, from the base. Yeah, vetiver, oak moss, tonka bean, vanilla, musk, and rich amber. I like this. There will be a full review coming soon with all the snazzy B-roll and atomizer spritzes. I really like this. This is nice. So anyway, that's the unboxing. Let me know what you guys think. If you're watching this, I probably just crossed the 500 subscriber mark. So thank you everybody for joining in on that. Stick around, a lot more things to come. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace. I smell mint.